So today we will see how to design the creatives in Microsoft Designer.
But it's free, madam.
Yeah, it is a free version. So
Microsoft.
we have limited things like we can generate up to 15 per month.
Okay, okay,
So it is a freemium tool. So you can use some things for like you can generate images for free.
okay.
Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. You have got two logins, ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
You have got two logins because it is showing one meeting host and one presentation.
Yeah, yeah. Because I'm the host and one screen I'm presenting. I have joined from one
Okay,
device.
okay,
So this is the home page of Microsoft Designer. Okay. So what is it? It is just like Canva. So you can generate AI images for free. So on the top, you will get to see the option like how many credits you have for the month. So once I log in, I will be able to show you the credits. So you have this option create with AI, edit with AI, and design from scratch. So design from scratch is like when you click on this, you will be able to see the dimensions. So just like how we did in Canva. In Canva, we have blank page. You can click on that and you can use your creativity to design a image. So second option what we have is edit with AI, which is like editing option is inbuilt AI. Like you can edit images, you can make the background blur, and you want to replace the background and move any objects. So certain things are available here. Remove background and the generative erase means you can observe it from the screen. So you can remove the unwanted objects from the images. And upscale, you want to enhance the image quality, you can use this upscale. And frame images, you can use the frames here for free. So first thing we are going to work on this create with AI. We have images, icons, wallpapers, invitations, banners, posters, and lot more in this. You can generate whatever you want by just giving the prompt, whichever you're looking for. For example, so let us start with this image. So you all know how to generate a image using, you would have generated using ChatGPT and also using Canva. So it is asking for describe your image, how you want your image to be. So before that, we will see the ready-made images available here. When you hover on this, you will get to see the prompt used for generating this particular image. A large mass of dark red and pink smoke centered on a solid cream colored background in the watercolor style. See how detailed the prompt is. So you have to give the detailed prompt or things, describe the image which you're looking for with a particular color, style, and the background, everything, so that it will generate a image for you. So like this, you can see the prompt which they have used to generate the image, so that we will get some ideas how to use the prompt. So portrait, the minimal. So like this, they have given plenty of examples. So if you want to edit this also, you can just go ahead, click on this edit prompt. This will be added to your prompt section. You can just replace the content, like a cute claymation of style of a bunny you want to generate for dog or cat or anything else. You can just replace the things which you want. They have given the blanks. There you have to give the color and also which style you're looking for, and then you will be able to click on this sizes. So what size you're looking for? You want square image, portrait, or a landscape? So this is a square image. Portrait means a vertical one. Landscape is the horizontal images. So this horizontal, you can use it in your banners, use for your website banners, and vertical image for your Instagram post or stories, and square you can use it for your website, and also you can use it for your social media post. Okay, so let us pick a exam dimension. Then you can click on this create. You will be able to generate the images here. So see, I have got 15 credits for this month. So on the right top, it will notify you. So when I generate this image, I will get only 14 left. You will also get four different images. So whichever you're typing the image you want to create, it will show you in four different style. You can pick whichever you like and download it. Well, it takes some time. So I have used the same prompt, so it is giving me the same result. Just look at this and you will be able to download this. Is it clear? Sahiti and sir.
Yeah. No, no problem, madam. I will try
Okay,
doing it
so
from
first log
Microsoft
into
Design.
this Microsoft Designer. I will be sharing the link in the chat. First you will
Yeah.
be able, you have to sign up, create your
Yeah.
account, then start
Okay.
creating the image that is related to your business. You have to generate the image which is related to your business, so that we can add it in a social media post, and also in your website. It might be useful.
Yes, ma'am. We'll do that, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
You're welcome. Please share your screens.
Madam, yet to start.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, Sahiti.
Yeah, I've just created it. Is this fine?
Okay, so 3D. Okay, so you can pick anything which you like and download it. So this you can use
Okay.
it for your website. So once you have generated the image, you can just go back, download it, and go back to your home.
Okay.
So can you see we have a lot of options available. Next to images, we have icons, wallpapers, invitations for your store launch or a product launch, and banners. So that banners is like exactly the dimension which you can add it for your website. And postures, and click on the right arrow, and many more. Social media post, greeting cards, travels. Like you have stickers. Monograms is just like an logo. You can
Yes.
mention any one alphabet and that can be generated as a monogram. So explore the
Okay.
options. So like you can create one social post, one invitation for your store launch, and what else you can, posters, banners. So try exploring that too. So we have 14
Okay.
credits left. Try to generate 5 more images and save it in your desktop.
So for icons, already we are having an icon, right? So can we rephrase our icons here?
Just try it by giving the prompt which whatever you're looking for. Icons is generally like you can use it in your website. Like for you want a mobile icon. What is your business, Sahiti?
It's a kid store.
Kids store. So in
Zero
your
to
kids
5 year.
store, yeah, you want any kids wear. So in your website you want to showcase your product. So all the time you cannot add the images. In certain things you can add the icons, like kids frock icon, the just the shape, and also the something like footwear or whatever it
It
is.
would be
You
just
can
like
generate
an.
the icons.
It would be just like a emojis, frog emojis like that, right?
Emoji is different. We have it at the last. It's like a icon. How can I
Mm-hmm.
just go? Can you open a new tab and open Inspire website? I will show you an example.
In,
www.inspire.in. Yes. Just scroll down. Scroll down. So like this, we have icons. See, students, coaches,
yeah,
homepreneurs. Like this, they have given the icons just for the designing purpose. So these
got
icons
it, got
can
it.
be generated using that section.
Sure, sure. I will try with the things, other things even.
Sir, is that happening?
2 minutes, ma'am. I will share my screen.
Okay.
2 minutes. I think tab I have to share. One moment. Yes, ma'am. I go to my projects.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and my projects I've done. I think I've taken off all the four, 5 credits. 15 was there. Now it's 10.
Okay.
So
So,
this is one which I created for parents meeting invitation.
mm-hmm.
Join us. This is through AI.
Okay.
The
So
same
this is
prompts which I used, I edited few prompts, whatever's there.
okay.
So we run schools and colleges. So this is my business.
Okay.
And this is one parents meeting poster. And this is about the
School building.
school building.
Mm-hmm.
I created this. One of it we have downloaded.
Okay.
Uh, then other thing is banner for our
Mm-hmm.
team of schools. So something known as frankly speaking school teachers. This one was very impressive. The second one,
Okay.
frankly speaking teachers, voices
What?
and
The
insights. I will use
prompt
this.
plays a major role here. So whatever
Yeah.
is in your mind, you have to type it and it should be detailed so that it will give you the
Yes.
exact result.
Yes, ma'am.
It's good.
That I did. And after that, banner for my team of schools. I think twice it's repeated. I don't know why.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
I share out. Share out is different, and this is different. And this one, simple flat one,
Icon.
just a cutout icon
Okay.
for the college students with the headphones.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
So, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can start exploring this edit with AI option.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I edit with AI. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So we have
Yeah,
edit image, that is you can give some filters here. You can add some filters. Second is remove background. You want to remove the background. So previously we were using BG remover,
yeah,
a
yeah.
separate tool. So it is an inbuilt tool where you can remove the background. So for each generation, it will detect one credit. When you remove a
Okay,
background, one credit will be less. And the third one is
okay,
generative erase. You want to erase some object from your photo or an image, then that will be useful for you. And
okay.
just explore it. Try editing using just so you have the generated images. Add one, upload one image, and try to edit it.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do that.
Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Sahitya, are you exploring this edit with AI? Perfect.
Yeah, I'm exploring. I'm exploring it.
Good, good. How is the tool?
Yeah, it's user friendly
Mm-hmm.
actually. So having somewhat more benefits than Canva,
Hmm,
I
yes.
feel so. No, as of now, I feel better with this tool. It's very user friendly, so
Okay.
I can explore more.
Okay. Bye then. Take care. Good night.